Are you over 50 and looking for some delicious drinks? Look no further. Check out these 10 incredible drinks that work wonders for your body and mind. So, if you're over 50 and ready to sip your way to timeless vitality, you're in the right place for some fantastic drink ideas. So sit back, relax, and prepare to sip your way to a healthier, happier you. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is our number one superstar, and it is a powerhouse of antioxidants. Can sipping a cup of green tea daily do wonders for your health, especially after 50? Yes! Packed with antioxidants called catechins, it's like a spa day for your cells. Numerous research studies have indicated that green tea consumption can significantly promote longevity and prevent age-related diseases. Additionally, green tea contains polyphenols, which are antioxidants. These antioxidants can help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of cell damage and chronic diseases. Drinking green tea can help you slow the signs of aging. It can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. With its numerous health benefits, green tea may be the answer you've been searching for. Pomegranate juice is the number 2 excellent anti-aging drink for seniors. Just squeeze the liquid out of this humble fruit, and you'll have a vibrant red juice that can help protect your skin from free radical damage. Have you tried pomegranate juice? This drink may contribute to a longer, healthier life. It is delicious and has many health benefits because pomegranate fruits are jam-packed with anti-inflammatory properties. If you want to stay young after 50, you can boost your health with refreshing pomegranate juice. It contains a powerful antioxidant called anthocyanins, which can help reduce inflammation in your brain. So why not give your mind a delicious treat with pomegranate juice today? Number 3. Water. Hydration is essential, folks. Water plays a crucial role in keeping your organs healthy and flushing out toxins from your system. Older adults, especially those over 50, are more prone to dehydration. Studies show that up to 28% of this population experiences dehydration, which can lead to falls and dizziness. To avoid these risks, it is recommended to drink plenty of water. Water improves digestive health, keeps skin healthy, lubricates joints, and helps prevent kidney damage. Plus, when you're hydrated, your skin stays supple and elastic, keeping wrinkles at bay. Make the switch to water and give your body the hydration it craves. By cutting out sugary drinks, you'll feel better than ever before. Give it a try and see for yourself. But how much water is enough? Always drink at least 8 glasses daily to keep yourself vibrant and healthy, and for all of water's anti-aging health benefits. The number 4 healthy drink that you should be sipping on after 50 is turmeric tea. A warm turmeric tea can do wonders for your skin and joints. This magical elixir is famous all over the world for its anti-aging properties, making it the ultimate healthy drink for seniors over age 50. Did you know that turmeric's magical powers have been known for almost 4,000 years? Yes, you heard it right. This incredible spice was actually used in the ancient Indian system of holistic medicine called Ayurveda. Turmeric tea has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Drinking a cup of delicious turmeric tea daily can help combat signs of aging and provide excellent health benefits for seniors. Moreover, turmeric drink is an excellent source of curcumin. Curcumin helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels, boosts the immune system, and supports joint health. Number 5. Red wine. Now for all you wine lovers out there, cheers! But did you know the secret to a long life might be hidden in your wine glass? That's right. Resveratrol, a powerful ingredient found in grape skins, is responsible for the many health benefits associated with red wine. According to some studies, moderate drinking, up to 2 drinks per day, may lower the risk of death compared to those who do not drink at all. Red wine may protect against cardiovascular disease, reduce inflammation, prevent type 2 diabetes, and potentially extend lifespan. Drinking red wine can contribute to a longer and healthier life by doing something great for your heart. So, next time you enjoy a glass, you can feel good about its benefits. Number 6. Bone broth is a healthy drink for individuals over 50 years of age. Are you tired of using expensive creams and lotions that promise youthful skin but fail to deliver? You could try sipping on bone broth. Some people claim the liquid has miraculous anti-aging health benefits for your skin. Bone broth is nutrient-dense and has many health benefits. It provides collagen, amino acids, and minerals to support your overall health. Incorporating bone broth into your diet can help maintain skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles. Next, beet juice is a healthy drink for people over 50 and should be included in your list of beverages. Did you know drinking a glass of beetroot juice daily can benefit your heart health? Beet juice is a healthy drink for seniors. It contains essential nutrients like folate, potassium, vitamin C, fiber, and nitrates, vital for seniors who want to live a long and happy life. Unlock the secrets of youthful vitality by incorporating the humble beet into your daily routine. Blend them into a delicious smoothie or infuse them into water for a refreshing anti-aging drink. Savor the benefits of beets as the nitrates transform into nitric oxide, enhancing blood flow, reducing blood pressure, and promoting longevity. Drink beetroot juice in the morning to help with stamina throughout the day. Try drinking a glass each morning to start your day off on the right foot and elevate your nitric oxide levels for optimal blood flow. Number 8. Blueberry smoothie. Berries, oh, sweet blueberries. Berries are highly recommended for brain health. Blueberries are low in calories and highly nutritious and pack a powerful punch of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like ellagic acid, anthocyanins, and resveratrol. These fantastic plant compounds work wonders for our health by protecting our cells from oxidative stress and keeping us feeling our best. By providing your brain with antioxidants, you can improve your memory and slow down the aging process of your mind. A study has shown that regularly consuming these flavorful berries can delay cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. Plus, blueberries work tirelessly to fight harmful free radicals, keeping your skin youthful. So why not start your day with a delicious blueberry smoothie and take your first step towards a long and healthy life? Blueberry smoothies are an excellent source of antioxidants. Blend blueberries with Greek yogurt and a handful of nuts to make a nutritious and delicious smoothie. So go ahead and indulge in those sweet, juicy berries. Your body will thank you. Number 9. Aloe Vera juice is another refreshing drink that provides many health benefits, including helping to extend one's lifespan. Aloe Vera beverage offers many health benefits for seniors. Let me tell you more about it. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at absorbing nutrients, which can lead to deficiencies and malnutrition. However, drinking aloe vera juice can help increase your intake of essential vitamins and minerals, reducing the risk of malnutrition. Moreover, studies have shown that drinking aloe vera can help improve digestive health and regulate blood sugar levels, which are common health concerns among seniors. And the best part? It's super easy to make this delicious and healthy drink by blending aloe vera gel with some fresh orange juice. So why not try it and see how it can improve your life? Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Drink number 10. Drinking cocoa tea can help you maintain good health and promote longevity. Have you ever tasted cacao tea? If not, you're missing out on one of the world's best-kept secrets. Also known as chocolate tea or cocoa tea, this delightful beverage is sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Indulging in cocoa tea satisfies your sweet cravings and provides powerful antioxidants called flavonols that can support your cognitive health as you age. According to a study published in the British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology, cocoa tea flavonols like epicatechin and catechin can positively increase blood flow to the brain. Hot cocoa tea can help you to maintain healthy oxygen levels and protect your brain health, reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline like dementia. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 anti-aging drinks for those over 50. From green tea to bone broth, each drink has unique health benefits that can help you live a long, vibrant, happy life from age 50 and beyond. Don't forget to drop a comment and share your go-to healthy drinks with us. We'd love to keep the conversation alive and flowing. Stay youthful and gorgeous until we meet again.